Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So welcome back with me in my English daily vlog video. Okay, so now I'm on the way to my boarding house from English class. And now still 11 a.m. around 11 a.m. and I used filterized way to sort uh, to sort way. Okay. Okay, I think I wanna tell you about um my ice breaking. So we have a schedule that we must to perform at in front of friends at class to explain about material and ice breaking. We have a schedule until September, October maybe. I forgot. So I wanna explain about that. Okay. So first, I before I start the game, I have a game. Yes. Before I start the game, I ask to my friends that in class I in front of they them I in front of them, and I ask for them, ask about something that the vocabulary that is will use at the game. Okay, for example, I yesterday um ask for my friends like a quiz, so like this. Okay. Okay, so I wanna ask to you about what the mean, how to say sesuatu, how to say something in English. Okay, so the example I speak to them how to say kepala, how to say kepala in English. Then they, then them or they, then they, them, then them answer to me kepala is head, and then I give again the question how to say hand in English. They answer my question hand is tangan is a hand, and I ask again about table, meja, how to say meja, and how to say lantai, and they answer my question floor and table. And once again I asked to them about how to say tepuk tangan and how to say tepuk dada, and they can answer uh, collapse hand, and tap cheese, I think. Yeah, I forget because yesterday. Okay, that is just opening about my my English ice breaking for my friends in the class. So I think I wanna continue in next video because this duration of video is half done 3 minutes for lebih more than 3 minutes. Okay, I think that's not for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.